Welding Coach consultations. I have a few people asking me about how to start their business, what direction to go with their welding career, how not to bump their heads, what to travel to, how to invest the money, what product to build first. The list can go on and on. And hello family, my name is Joe Brown, aka Black Phoenix, and I'm the owner of Hogon Welding and the founder of Hogon University. And I am your welding coach. You can call me for any type of questions, and I can give you a blunt and honest answer how to jump into the career of welding, how to make money from welding, how to build products, how to invest your money, how to travel, how to think outside the box, how to build your resume. It's so many questions that I see that is not being answered that a lot of our people need. And so since I have more than 20 years of experience, I enjoy doing the craft. I have been in the shop and in the field, and I can show you what works. I have invested my money in different tools and business ventures that went up and some went down. So I can show you, give you some pointers on what not to do and what you can do to actually better yourself when it comes to building your wealth coming from using a trade. And that's why I like to say turn a trade into a business, because that's the goal. A lot of us didn't just go to college. So we have to learn how to use what we physically know and to transcend that into a stable business. And it can't be done, and it's being done all the time. I have two different consultations and memberships, basically. I have a consultation for $150. This consultation, I'm going to teach you how to start your business, how to set up your EIN, show you how to get your AWS, answer any needed questions, help guide you in that right direction. The next membership is $500. That $500 membership is mean we stay connected. We always network. And if you got a question, you can email me or call me, and we can set up a time for an appointment, and we can actually sit down and discuss anything you have to go on from here on out, because this is a lifetime membership. So as long as I'm moving around and as I learn different things, you can tap into me and I can be able to give you some of this information that you can use for your business. And it's all about growing your business and growing yourself. It takes money to make money, family. So by investing $150 or $500 into your business development and your career is very important. All the information I'm going to give you, family, is going to help you save time and money, and it is valuable and it is working because people are using it. I'm using it. So I just wanted to come to you and talk to you about being your welding coach, because a few people have been inboxing me. I have a few clients that have already took some of the courses and already members. So if you want to be a part of the program, if you want to learn how to turn your trade into a business or what direction to go by starting your small business independently, give me a call, 870-501-1974.